So our first Etsy shop review today is for Right to Escape Prints, and we've got Sayeda's out of Mississauga, Canada. I hope I'm saying that right. I've always wondered if that's the right way to say it. I don't know how to say Mississauga, but let's check out what she's got here. She's got Carpe Diem, wall art, inspirational quotes, digital prints, wall art, wall decor, home decor, poetry, and downloadable. So this is a digital download, and we got all these different things. So no physical item. This listing includes 6 digital prints. Okay, great. You will receive a high resolution of all 6 different and 5x7 and 8x10. Okay, great. How to get the prints? That's what I was wondering. Do I get them all? So I see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Okay, perfect. Looks good. I like it. Carpe Diem wall art. Now let's check that out. Let's see what that keyword kind of pulls in right here. Carpe Diem wall art. So you've got 1,065 results. Pretty good. Mississauga. Okay, there we go. Thank you, Mississauga. Now I feel like I screwed it up already, but hopefully I got it right. Carpe Diem wall art. So there's a lot of other people out here. There's about 1,000 results, so that's a good number. Nothing too crazy right there. 8x10. Now this part right here, let's see. Let's look up like 8x10. Let's look up 8x10 wall art. 8x10 wall art. So with these keywords right here, 8x10 and 5x7, you want these to be keywords, right? So you should attach like whatever it is to it. So like download, digital download. So instead of just saying 8x7 and 5x7, what would work better? And I'll pull my notepad over here. So what would work better would be something like 8x10 wall art. And then you could do something like 5x7 digital download, 8x10 print, something like that. Carpe Diem. I'm imagining a fish saying it. Yeah, that's what I think of too when I see it. I think of a fish. But overall, I like it. It's a cute looking product that you have there. Let's check out the piece one. Piece, motivational quotes, inspirational quotes, digital prints, wall art, wall decor, home, and living poetry. So all great looking items. I like your photos. I think they're good. I think some of them might be a little bit too busy. This Rise one is a bit tough to see. Rise, because that E is kind of is difficult. So if you've got like, oh, I see you've got a lot of different options here. Okay. Maybe the black one might be a little bit more of a standout. Like this black one against a darker wall so that the white frame pops out could work a little bit better. The white kind of gets washed out. So you always want to make sure your item contrasts the background. And these ones I don't think do a great job at that because you've got a white frame on a white wall. Like this one, you've got a dark frame on a white wall, so it works great. It looks really good. But that other one, not so much. So I think you've got a good little shop there. What's going to be big for you is just getting more and more listings out there until you find which ones like really click and really sell and do well. And you just got to keep publishing products until you figure out which ones are the winner. And also you'll start to learn what of your thumbnails, your images really grab people's attention and get the most clicks. But overall, I think you've got good looking photos, and a photo is a hugely important part of it. So good luck with you there.